Reading.
Open House, showing off Taipei's hidden treasures. Taipei opens up for its second year. In November 2020, Taipei joined more than 40 other cities around the world as part of Open House. Our organization's goal is to help people discover the beauty and architecture of their city. Open House shows places that the public doesn't normally see. In this way, locals can join the conversation about their city's development. Seeing the city's heart and creative spaces excites people and provides a new understanding of where they live. Revealing Taipei's hidden places. Last year's event was all about discovering Taipei's coolest spaces. Design studios, green spaces, and cultural centers let people come in and learn something new. Places like the Taipei Metro Operations Control Center welcomed visitors to find out how the city's public services work. The Museum of Drinking Water showed the reservoir that contains Taipei City's water. People even visited the presidential suite at the Regent Hotel, where many famous people stay. Last year's open house gave people a view of Taipei's present and future. We have even more coming up in 2021.